In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns in Notion. If you've ever wanted to organize your Notion page with multiple columns for a cleaner and more efficient look, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it and get your pages looking sleek and organized. First things first, head on over to Notion and log in with your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to create one. But assuming you're here because you're already familiar with Notion, go ahead and log in. Now that you're on your Notion dashboard, you can either choose to open a new page or use an existing one. If you're starting fresh, creating a new page is a great way to experiment without any risk of altering your data. Otherwise, you can select an existing page where you'd like to make these changes. Once you have your page open, it's time to add the content blocks you aim to organize into columns. Think about what you want to group together. It could be notes, tasks, images, or any other form of content that you regularly use in your workspace. Populate your page with these blocks. Now, let's get them into columns. Look to the left of a block, and you'll notice the 6-dot handle, which appears as two vertical lines of 3 dots. Click and hold this handle. This is your way to move the block around the page. Simply drag it to the left or right of another block you'd like to align it with. As you do this, watch carefully for a vertical blue line that will appear between the blocks. This is your cue that Notion is ready to create a new column at the spot you're pointing to. Once you see this line, it's safe to release the mouse button. By doing this, you'll drop the block, effectively creating a new column with your selected layout. After forming your columns, you might want to adjust the widths according to your content needs. Hover over the shared edge between two columns, and a gray vertical line will appear. This is your adjuster. Click on it and drag it left or right to fine-tune the width of each column. This allows for customization according to the amount of space each piece of content requires, ensuring your layout is exactly how you want it. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully created a multi-column layout in Notion. This ability to organize content in columns can streamline your workflow and enhance the visual appeal of your pages. Play around with these features to see what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay organized and have fun crafting your perfect Notion workspace.